How to remove payment method from Google Play Store. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on payments and subscriptions over here. As you do that, you'll be able to see the option of payment methods at the top of the screen. So select payment methods. As you do that, you'll be able to see the option of more payment settings at the bottom of the screen, so tap on it. So here, you'll be able to see all the payment methods that you have added on Google Play Store. Right now, as you can see, there's no payment method app added. But if you have, then you'll be able to see all of them. And if you want to remove a particular payment method from Google Play Store, you just have a tap on a particular payment method and then select on remove. And that way you'll be able to remove the payment method from Google Play Store. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.